Welcome to Istoriam and thank you for giving the application a try. Istoriam is a timeline application.
Although it has a large number of features designed to facilitate the building of large and complex timelines, it is a very simple application to start working with.
The first start of the application should be with an empty window, the display window.
At the top of the display window is a toolbar that provides a quick access to a number of features offered by the application.
The rest of the window is where the timeline records will be displayed, so let's start by creating our first record. To add a record, click on the Add icon from the toolbar. A new window, the Record Management window, will appear. You will enter, and later edit, all the record components in this window. Let's start with a quick review of the Record Management window. The window is divided into three sections: a toolbar section on the top with three icons. The first is to add a record, the second is to clear the form, and the last is to pin the window. A control menu is provided on the left for selecting the group of record components to work on, and finally a component value section where you can enter the values of the record components. Istoriam's records can be configured with a large number of components. We will review only a few of those in this Getting Started video. The Record Management window opens with the main components from the control menu selected. That is the first icon on that menu. Let's enter a title to the record such as My First Record. Let's also change the end date to be a few days after the start date. Click on the text color panel and select a color for your record. Now click on third icon from the control menu to open the description component. Let's enter some description text for the record. For example, I am working on my first record. Finally, let's add a photo to the record. Select the Photo Subview option from the control menu by clicking on the last icon from that menu. Click on the plus button to add a photo. Let's browse our directory for a one. Once one is selected, click on Submit. That's it for now. Click on the Add icon to add the record to the database. The record is now visible in the display window. As we have added a description text and a photo to the record will show up in the display window with two icons next to the record dates. Right-clicking on the first icon will open a popover window with the description text we entered. Right-clicking on the second icon, a popover window will show the selected picture. If you want to edit or change the content of a record, double-click on it. The Record Management window will open again, but now with its fields pre-populated with the record components' values. Edit the values as desired, then click on the Edit icon. Finally, to delete a record, single-click on it and then click on the Delete icon from the toolbar. You can give Istoriam a try on your own now and experiment with the other components. Please watch the other tutorial videos to learn about the numerous features available with Istoriam.